Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Signal to your phone number and verify securely step by step clearly. Begin by downloading the Signal app from your device's app store. Open the app once the installation is complete. You will see a welcome screen with a prompt to start the registration process. Tap on the Continue button to proceed. Next, you will be asked to enter your phone number. Select your country code from the drop-down menu. Enter your phone number in the designated field. Once you've input your number, tap Next or Continue. Signal will now send you an SMS verification code. Check your messages for the code from Signal. Once you've received the code, return to the Signal app. Enter the verification code in the provided field. If the code is entered correctly, Signal will verify your number. In some cases, if you don't receive the SMS, you can opt for a voice call to get the code instead. After verification, you will be prompted to set up your profile. Choose a name for your profile and, if you wish, add a profile picture. Once you've completed your profile setup, tap Next to finish. You may also get options to allow access to your contacts. This will help you find friends who are also using Signal. Finally, Signal may ask for permission to send you notifications. Granting this permission ensures you stay updated on messages. Congratulations, your Signal app is now connected to your phone number and verified securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.